What's up guys, Assalamualaikum. This video is for our English assignment, so let's check it out.
Today is too hot. It makes me thirsty.
Me too.
And I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry too. What should we do, Em?
How about we go to a Salero Bunda restaurant?
I go with you.
Oh, come on, let's go. Waiters,
May I help you, sir?
what is your special menu, bro?
Our special menu is chicken with green chili. Do you want it, sir?
Alright, I'll take it. And you?
Sure, I want it too.
Do you want a drink, sir?
I want fruit tea.
I want mango juice.
As you request, sir, I will take it.
Delicious. Let's pay.
Let's go.
Here you are.
Okay, thank you bro. Guys, thank you for watching.